everybody, Danette May here, and I am back in action. If you were watching me live, we had a little technical glitch with Wi-Fi, but I want to let you guys know I have exciting news. We are launching our 30-day New You challenge. This is the exact challenge that over 200,000 women around the world have done and successfully completed, and has completely changed their life. It incorporates everything, all of your meals, all of your workouts, all of your mindset, because this, my friend, is the most strongest partner in this journey is your mind. And I teach you how to use your mind as your ally to see results, and your family is going to love this. So everyone can eat these foods. You can do this. I'm so excited because we are launching, we are starting. It is time. It's time to grab a hold of a new way of eating and showing up and feeling good in your skin and seeing results quicker. So today, I want to share with you 3 movements that I see so many people do to try to get flat, sexy abs that are not helping you, that are actually hindering you from your goals, and what you can do instead. Are you guys ready for this? All right, the first one, and I'm going to show you really quick, is taking a weight. You might have seen this in the gym or different things where you take a weight and you try to do a side bend, just like this. You see people doing weights, and they're going to the side like this. All right, let me tell you why this is not good for business. Because when you're holding a weight and you're going to the side, you're building up this area right here, which in the end, when that muscle relaxes, it looks like love handles. You do not want that. We want those sexy V lines in our abs, and we want flat abs, right? And I'm gonna show you what you can do instead to truly create that in less time. So what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna move my phone very carefully onto the ground. This is so live, you guys, so live, is what you want to do instead of using that weight is take your body weight and cross your legs over just like this, one at a time, just like that. Nice work. So you would do this instead of that weighted dumbbell. Okay, the next thing I see people doing is that average crunch. We learned this in gym when we're younger. It's so not good. It's not good for the neck, and it really doesn't enhance your results that quick. People are doing this, crunching, thinking that they're gonna get flat abs by crunching. No, that's not gonna help you. What that's gonna do is, you know, that triangle effect where your abs pop up, it's not helping you. So what I would do instead is go right into a plank, just like this. Right into a plank and pull those lower abs in, which is gonna create flatter abs, and you're gonna see quicker results, just like that. Nice work. Okay, this third thing I see people doing is going too fast. Let me give you an example. They're like this, cross, thinking that the faster they go, it's gotta be better results, but it's not. It actually, you get so much momentum that you're actually not engaging your abs. You're not seeing the results that you want. So slow it down. Think with the mind and really engage those abs. So if you're gonna do this move, I wouldn't touch my neck. I would keep and pull from my chest up, and I would go nice and slow and deliberate. You're gonna create a big muscle engagement by slowing it down. All right, you guys, those are my 3 biggest mistakes that I see so many people doing. I see them doing it at the gym. I see them doing it all over the place. And I'm here to tell you that you can actually succeed with doing those 3 movements. And I share all of this with you in my 30-day New You challenge. I'm going to share with you all the recipes, all these simple recipes that take 10 to 15 minutes to make. Your family will love them. And I'm going to do workouts with you. We're going to work out together 10 to 15 minutes. How amazing is that? You're gonna see results doing this in your own home. You're gonna see results doing this in less time, and we're gonna teach you how to use your mind to truly harness the power and see results quicker. Your mind is your greatest ally, but what happens is so many of us are hard on ourselves. So many of us are totally bringing ourselves down. We're like talking mean to ourselves. So our body goes where the mind tells it. So I'm going to teach you how to truly maximize your results using your mind. In 3 minutes a day. How amazing is that? I'm going to give you all of this in my 30-day New You challenge. We just launched. Go ahead and click the link up above. It's just DANETTEMAYCHALLENGE.com. I want to see you in there. I want to work out with you. I want you to succeed. This is going to be so much fun. Thank you so much for leaving all of your testimonials below. If if you've done the 30-day new challenge. Have you seen success? Has it worked for you? Tell all these women around the world your story, your success story with this program. And you guys, you need to know I back it with 100% money back guarantee. Yeah, so you have nothing to lose, everything to gain. You get to keep everything. Do this for 30 days. And if you don't love it, totally refunding your money, okay? Because I know that this is going to be a new way for you. And I have to tell you, I know what you're thinking. I'm going to totally come over here because it's starting to rain. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, I don't really have the time. Life's kind of crazy right now. My kids are going back to school. There's all these different programs going on, and I have to tell you, there's never a good time. I'm here to show you a lifestyle that you can do in the crazy busy life that you have, that it doesn't ever slow down. Life never gets perfect. Life never gets easy, and this program works with those crazy busy lives. I'm here to show you a new way. Give me 30 days to completely transform your life. Go ahead and click the link up above. Share this with a friend. Do this with a friend. It's totally going to hold you accountable. Share this link. Go ahead and click the share button or tag a friend below. Get everyone on board. Get your family on board. I'm telling you, the kids will love these foods. Your husband will love it. Even if he doesn't realize he's going to love it, you can feed him this food. Oh, I love you guys so much. I'm so excited to totally work out with you. And someone asked, is there sit-ups on this plan? No, because I'm showing you new movements that you can do to maximize your results that are less harmful for your body and actually work better, so you get flat abs quicker and you get that lean, sexy, healthy body that you're looking for. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you inside this challenge. Thank you for leaving your comments below, and please just read everyone's comments below. They'll tell you the truth. I love you guys. Have an amazing day today, and I'll see you inside the challenge. Click the link above, Danette May Challenge. Click the link below, DanetteMayChallenge.com. Bye, you guys.